Hello, I'm Lucas, and this is my submission for CS50Web's second problem set, Wiki. To start things off with this Django application, we need to run the server and open the port in our browser. The index page is this /wiki, and we can see the entry page. Here we can perform some searches in the URL bar by typing the name of an entry, so like CSS. If we do this, the page will appear and the title is here on the title is here, and we can go back and type like HTML, it will work as well, git, it will work, and I made this case insensitive, so if you type git with a capitalized I, it will work as well, and HTML all capitalized, HTML, it will work as well. If we prompt something that doesn't exist, like this, we get a 404 error. Here in the index page, we can see at /wiki all of the pages that currently exist being listed as a list item. So if we click at Django, we'll be here at Django's entry page, at /Django, and here's the title of the page. And we can go to HTML, we can go to Python, we can go to CSS. All of them work. Here in the index page, we have a search bar in which we can type any query to search for an entry. So we can type Python, again it's case insensitive, and we will be redirected to that entry page. If we type something that doesn't exist, like item, the server will try to find all of the entries that has your query as a substring. So if we hit enter, it will present a page that shows in a list all of the entries that has the substring. If we click the name, we'll be redirected to that entries page. So typing the letter T, we will have all the pages with the substring T. Again, on the index page, we can click create new page. On this page, we can create an entry by providing its title and its content. By the title, let's say Lucas, and the entry content, let's see Lucas is a person, and we can save. So we get this error saying that the entry we are trying to create already exists. Our entry is Lucas, and the matched entry is also Lucas, but with the capitalized L. In the case they're not the same, the comparison is case insensitive. Would you like to create a new entry? Sure, let's try again. Let's say again like David. Entry content, David is a person. Save. Then we get redirected to that entries that we saved, and we can see here at home it is listed in the entries we already have. Each entry has an edit page button. By clicking on it, we go redirected to this edit entry page in which we can edit the title of the entry. Here all the Markdown content that we created is presented in the content here. We can edit, like say, now David isn't a person, it's a dog. So David is a dog. We can save our changes, and here be presented with the new entry. For the last, in the entry page, we can click random page and be presented with a random entry from the entries list. Django, HTML, and Python. We can go this forever and ever. The last specification item from this project is to convert a Markdown file to HTML. To do this, I have done this line of code that uses the Markdown 2 module and the Markdown function inside of it, and gets, using the util.getEntry, the content from the Markdown file that we are actually using, and converts to HTML. So this was my project. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.